cookie. Cooking with Sam I Am by Courtney Carbone, illustrated by Tom Brannon.
I am Sam. Sam, I am. I want to cook green eggs and ham. We can cook them here or there. We can cook them anywhere. Let us cook them at my house. Please help cook them, Fox and Mouse. All my eggs are in this box. Will you cook them, Mr. Fox? Start with butter, just a pat. We do not need as much as that. Put the butter in a pan. Then being careful as you can. Crack the eggs. Watch them cook. The eggs are ready. Look, look, look. Now we need to heat the ham. Watch and learn from Sam I Am. Turn off the heat. Take out the meat. Cut off a piece. Pull up a seat. You will like this, taste and see. You will like this just like me. It is time to eat, eat, eat. Green eggs and ham cannot be beat.
You're so sweet for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye!